In this video, I'm going to show you how to color the drop-down list in Excel. Let's open an Excel document. Suppose you need to create a drop-down for the left side column and separate them by color. To do this, select a cell. In the title bar, click on Data. In the menu bar, click on Data Validation. In the drop-down menu, click on Data Validation again. Change any value to List. In the source option, type your drop-down options and separate them using a comma. In my case, it will be completed, in progress, not started. Click on OK. Here you can see that we have created a drop-down menu for the cell. Now bring your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. When the plus sign becomes smaller and bolder, drag it down to the cell where you need the drop-down list. Now all of the cells have a drop-down list. Select the cells with the drop-down. Go to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting. In the drop-down, click on Highlight Cells, then Equal To. In the text box, add your drop-down options. I will add Completed first. Click on the Fill option, then Custom Format. Go to the Fill tab and select a color of your liking. Click on OK. Follow the steps for the rest of the options. I will select yellow fill for In Progress and red fill for Not Started. Now, if I select the drop-down options, you can see that the cell changes color according to the option selected.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.